I got like 2 box delivered today. The other one UPS, and then this one is the budget to deliver. Guys, I got salad. What is this? This ice. Strawberry. Okay, I like strawberry. Blueberry. I don't like blueberry, but I need to eat. I think this is cereal. I don't know what's that. That's my milk. Because I can't use the other milk. I'm on diet, guys. What is this? Mango or... Oh, this apple. I don't really like apple. Sweet potato. Mango. That's for my snack. The train, I like avocado. Love avocado. What is this? What is this? I wonder what is this? Let me see. Hold on. We're going to see what is this. Oops. Put that one right there. What is this? Oh, hold on. Mom, what is this? I don't know, guys, what is this? Bacon. Thermite chicken bone broth. I like that one. That's healthy. And then, what is this? Chicken again. What is this? Yeah! Salmon. That's my favorite. What is this? Boneless chicken breast. Oh my god, I got a lot of chicken. What in here? Oh, this is ice. But this one, I don't know what is this. This one, I need to look what is this. Itlog. Organic itlog. Yeah, that's it. That's itlog. The one is here. Oh my god. Now where I'm gonna put all this food? Oh gosh. If every week I got deliver food, I don't think so. And this food, this just for my 1 week food. And I got deliver 2 deliver today from UPS. That's my food because the children don't want me to go in the market. This is healthy food from company. Okay, thank you, Katrina.